Hi everyone, so I have a new tractor spot which I will add to my planes, trains and automobiles section. I've got no idea what model it is. It's just an old Ford tractor. So yeah, we'll have a quick look at it, guys. That's another old Ford, Lewis. It's an old one again.
You can literally see inside.
Yeah, you can get. It's just open, like a open cab, really.
I want to get in.
You can't get in. So I don't know what it is. It don't say. It just says it's a Ford. Oh, it does say there on the block.
Wait, it says it in.
Show slipway scheme. So that's it, everyone. Just a short one. If anyone knows what the model of the tractor is, please put it in the comments below. Much appreciate it. And that's it, yeah. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.